Hi, I'm Mike Morgan, the R&D specialist here at Danchuk. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the trunk insulation on 55 through 57 Chevy trunk lids. We did remove the trunk from the car for demonstration purposes, but you can accomplish this task with the trunk on the car. All you'll need is a nice sharp knife, a scraper, and a trunk. First step is take your knife, run it along the edge. Might be a little bit tough. Peel it off. Wow, this one's coming off really good. Okay, here's the original insulation, which is sandwiched between the trunk lid and the inner structure, as well as being glued down. It's kind of a fiber, cardboard type stuff. Not exactly sure, but our stuff is more of a tar type paper stuff. Seems much more durable, probably lasts way longer than this. It's cut to fit the shape pretty well. So we have a 3M black weather strip adhesive here, which we're going to use to hold it on. You put the adhesive more towards the middle area. It's going to be tucked up under here, so you really only need it where it curves kind of. Doesn't take a lot. Well, we went and cleaned this with some wax and grease remover. Just clean it with whatever you have. Gives it a good bond to stick to. Slide it in. This. Should tuck right up into place. Okay, we got the piece in, it's glued down. Just make sure you tuck it up under these areas before the glue sets up too much. So this one's all nice and done. The rest of them, the process is the same. So your finished installation will look something like that. It took about an hour to accomplish this. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned to our Danchuk USA channel on YouTube for more tips.